Hello RiverWalk community, and welcome back to the monthly video update. We've been very busy here at RiverWalk and things are cruising right along. We in the lower level and lobby level, all of the commercial area windows and doors are almost fully installed. Because all of the other floors are already watertight, we've been able to start on a lot of that finish work. On some of the levels, we've got almost all of the drywall complete, a lot of it painted, and even some of the finish work going in, including lower level trim, and even some flooring, that being tile in the bathroom area. It's very exciting, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check it out. What did I tell you? Sure has been a lot of work going on here. It's been amazing to see this building come to life as all of the structural and mechanical elements have been covered by the drywall that's now painted and even has some trim on it. It's been a beautiful sight to see, and we can't wait to show it to you in a handful of months. See you soon.